Welcome to another episode of Ghana Fan Tube. Today I'm in Lichfield. It's a classic car show. So let's get into the video. I don't want to talk too much. Let's just get into the video.
Have a nice day.
So I think I got to the classic car show late. So I'm just here to see if I could get some classic cars.
Beautiful bitches. You'll be on tomorrow. You got a beautiful Jag. Oh my God. Wow. You had a good day?
Yes, excellent, thank you.
Beautiful, look very clean.
Thank you very much.
Wow. Have a good weekend. Nice one. Nice.
So the content I'm getting today is a classic car show. So this event attracts about 2,000 cars. Attract 2,000 classic cars. So when I mean classic cars, I mean like old Jaguars, old Rolls Royce, old McLarens, old Ferrari, old sports cars, a lot of classic cars. That's what I mean. So I got here very late. Very late, but I managed to get some content, so I don't want to talk too much. So what I'm going to do is I'll just put some music in the background to show you guys what I got through my lens. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just do me a little favor though, please do like this video, and also let me know in the comment section what you like about this video and which of the cars is your favorite. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. And just wait, just in less than a minute, less than 30 seconds, less than 15 seconds, I will show you these beautiful cars. Let's get in there.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Wow, that's like a beast. Guys, what do you think of this beast? I want to own this one. Oh, that Tesla? That's a blue Tesla right there. And this seems like a American Ford, which might be good for Ghana roads. Yeah, it's beautiful. Hello. And this is the baby I want to see. If you guys watch a lot of movies back in the future, this beautiful car was featured in that movie. So let me get closer so that I can see inside this beautiful car. So guys, if you remember, this car was featured, is it Back in the Future? I don't know if you watch. Yeah, so it was featured in Back in the Future. If you haven't watched the movie, just Google the movie. It's one of many few of the cars that left. You can see right here, it's amazing. Look, imagine cruising on the highest speed. It's like the best feeling ever. Look, even I'm not driving, but it's like I have the best. Like I'm living my dream right now in this beautiful car. I always tell you guys I love expensive cars, and this is one of them. Beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Thank you, mate. Thank you. Whew. Wow, that's very nice. So I hope you're enjoying the video so far. So just do me a little favor. Give me the like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and also comment, tag. So when I mean tag is tag the time, your favorite part of the video. So it could be 1 minute 23 seconds. So you can do 1:23 seconds. Yeah, so just tag or let me know what you think of the video, what I could improve on, or what you'd like to see next in an episode or in a next series or in a vlog. So yeah, so I'm in Lichfield right now. I'm shooting this classic car show. I got here late, so I hope you're enjoying the content. Right, let's get into the other part of the video. I don't know if you guys know what this is, but this is a helicopter. This is how helicopter look like. At the moment, it's part of the classic car show. I can't pronounce it. It's part of the classic car show, but the event is just about cars. So they're promoting how the air ambulance help people. So I don't know if you, let me get closer. If you want to scan, you can scan. If you want to donate, you can donate to the air ambulance charity. Yeah, so let me just head back a little bit so that you can see how beautiful the helicopter look like from behind. It's covered now, but I wish I'm here tomorrow so that I can get you some clear footage of this beautiful helicopter. This is up close of the helicopter. This is how the helicopter look like. If you're somebody who haven't been on a helicopter before, I haven't been in a helicopter before, but this is how the helicopter look like. Let me get to the other side so that I can see the other side of the helicopter as well. And this is the other side of the helicopter, and also so if you guys don't know what the air ambulance do, a lot of people donate. They donate to the air ambulance. So for example, let's say there's an accident happen on the motorway. Yeah, when they call the ambulance services, these people will get to the destination and make sure the people involved in the accident actually get to the hospitals quicker.
So that's it from me, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please do me a little big favor, give me the big thumb up, and also if you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe and also hit the notification button on so that anytime I post a video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified by YouTube. Until then, another episode just end like that. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe there.